Hello you guys, this is your boy McMahon here. Welcome to the video. Trying to do some research, some stuff. How you guys doing this night? Welcome to the video. The solar power generator's going so well, but I can't open it tonight because I'll show it to you tomorrow. I don't feel like it. Um, that's my battery UPS. Got it from my house. I'm charging the battery on my computer. Let's see. It's hooked up to the TV. I was watching some Angry Grandpa videos I like to watch back in the day, you know. Alright, let's go to your battery. Alright, we're at 75%. This thing's taking a while. 75% of battery. Yeah, that thing is beeping because I'm using the UPS to charge it. Do you guys agree with Facebook? Follow me on Facebook or let me know. Oh, first, on my parallel batteries are back. Move this out of the way. There are the cells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cells. Go gracious. I'll count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's the right amount of batteries. Speak of in batteries, in these I powered it up. It works with that. It did great, but did not use too many watts. Alright guys, we're charging to 76 from the battery, from the EPS. That's what it says. Whoa. Yeah, the thing don't have wattage. Speak of that, we're gonna disconnect the power. We made it on 76, but that's too much power. Don't ever charge your computer with the UPS or use gold Kodiak or gold Zero. Which one's better? Better. Alright guys. Let's see what we're gonna do. Run our TVs or I think the battery got too low or something. Alright guys, hold on. I'm gonna plug this in. Charge it up all the way to 100%. Alright guys, we're generating electricity. You hear a click? Excuse me. Let's see how many amount of power we need from the battery or from the utility. Plug into the white line. Oh, it sparked. Okay, that's thing is alive. Alright. Now we're charging. Alright guys. Dang it. We're on utility power. Speak of that, we're gonna get a watt meter. I should get this on Amazon. The cost, I don't know what it is. I forgot what the cost is. Alright guys, let's plug this in to the watt meters. How many watts we're going to measure from this. Alright, now we're in power. Wow, that's a lot of wattage. Alright guys, there it is. Alright, this thing's changing. We're gonna do a run test on my TV and my PS4 sometimes, but I can't do it. You know? Alright guys. Don't ever run your battery on your computer, or you gotta run it down real too low. My UPS battery needs some charging time. Alright guys. Come ahead and say night out. Speak of that, make sure to go subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, or I suggest order more batteries. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, we're charging. Look. We're charging 77 power battery. Okay, that works. Alright guys. I'll see you tomorrow, the next day, and I'll see you next day. Goodbye. Maybe. Goodbye.